Hey, welcome to Brain BICEPS.
Today's challenge is squeeze the word dot by half emoji. Let's go! Before starting, please subscribe Brain BICEPS channel for more interesting quizzes. Find first word by half emoji. Sandwich. Can you find it by half picture? Kebab. Can you find it by half picture? Steak. The end is very hard. Can you find it by half picture? Omelet. What is that? Salad.
The last is very hard.
It's easy. Tacos.
Click like.
What is that? If you know this, write comment. Can you find it by half picture? Salad. Can you find it by half picture? Chocolate. What is that? Cake. Write your favorite cake. It's easy. Pizza. What is that? Waffle. Can you find it by half picture? Hot dog. Can you find it by half picture? Nachos.
What is your favorite food?
Can you find it by half picture? Shawarma. Can you find it by half picture? Donut. Can you find it by half picture? Nuggets. Which is delicious? What is that? French fries. Can you find it by half picture? Taco. Can you find it by half picture? Chicken leg. It's easy. Sushi. Which country does this food belong to? Can you find it by half picture? Lasagna. Can you find it by half picture? Oatmeal. Don't forget subscribe Brain BICEPS channel. Can you find it by half picture? Jelly. Can you find it by half picture? Ice cream.
Hard level coming.
Find the food from little picture.
Write comment your answer.